Okay, may I request our pastor's wife, Jean Lucena. And I would like also to okay, sa lahat po ng ating mga secondary sponsors, please come forward. Our secondary sponsors. So yung ating flower girls, yung ating ring bearer, ring bearer, Bible bearer, asan ba yung ating Bible bearer? Okay, meron pa po. Okay, so let us now give way to the family of our bride, yung three, Jobber, who else? Sai.
Ano nangyari sa live ko?
Maliit lang ang family nila, pero intact.
Nakalive.
Okay, one more. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Okay, walk a shot. Ready for 1, 2, 3. Okay po.
Okay, wait lang po. May request, Mama Risa, Aliceros, and Mama Jinky. Kasama yung family ni Astro. Nag-stand as their parents. Mama Risa and Mama Jinky, sila yung nag-stand as a second parent nila. Sa likod po kayo.
Ready for 1, 2, and 3. 9. Okay, one more. Ready for 1,